Group B has decided to do our project on McDonald's. I'm Elise, and I'm an ag business major.
I'm Mark, and I'm a business major.
Hi, I'm Kieran and I'm business major as well.
Next slide, please. In this presentation, we will go over what kind of company McDonald's is, its history, and its current state, what problem this company is having, recommendations on how to solve and prevent the problem they are facing, and the references we use to construct this presentation. Next slide. McDonald's is a multinational fast food chain restaurant that operates in over 100 countries. As of the year 2021, there were 40,031 restaurants locations, with 90% of them being franchises, meaning that they are owned independently. The company was founded April 15th, 1955 by the McDonald's brothers and businessman Ray Kroc in a town called Des Plaines, Illinois. The current CEO of McDonald's is Chris Kempinski, who took the title in 2019. Next slide. An issue that McDonald's is having is the sexual harassment allegations committed by their workers. The CEO of McDonald's, Chris Kempinski, has shown his support for the victims of these crimes and does not tolerate this behavior. Next slide.
An article was published stating that McDonald's is facing allegations of sexual discrimination and harassment at the restaurants. That is the first problem. The second problem is employees say there is no clear system of rights or any understanding of when to complain about discrimination. Along with problem number two, workers are scared to come forward because of the fear of retaliation from the company. This instance isn't just concerning one location. McDonald's all over the world are receiving reports of this type of behavior. Our first recommendation consists of taking steps towards making the norms of the company more than just financial. This will include emphasizing preventing illegal behavior in the restaurants and punishing anyone who violates this rule. Written codes of ethics will work in this case, as we have the compliance-based ethics code, which states punishing wrongful behavior in the workplace, and integrity-based ethics code, which says to outline the company's values and create an environment that supports ethically sound behavior. This will also include employees and customers having shared accountability, knowing right from wrong and trusting each other to do something about it. Lastly, this means clearly defining the company's guiding values. An example of the guiding values that may need to be put into place could be the corporate social responsibility. This is a business's concern for the welfare of society. It is structured in integrity, fairness, respect, and includes every member of the corporation's team. The goal-setting theory can be a way for the values to be put on display and motivate workers to follow them. These goals can improve performance if they are accepted, accompanied by feedback, and facilitated by organizational conditions.
Some recommendations I have for McDonald's are as follows. In order to promote a safe and inclusive work environment, it is recommended that McDonald's develops clear policy on sexual harassment and discrimination to ensure consistency and understanding across all the franchise locations. This policy should be effectively communicated to all the franchises. McDonald's should develop and provide support to assistance to the franchise owners and managers in implementing and enforcing this policy, ensuring compliance and accountability throughout all the organization. Regular updates to the policy should be made to align with the latest laws and best practices, reflecting the commitments to staying current with the involving and standard of the gender equality and anti-discrimination efforts. To promote gender balance and equality within the organization, McDonald's should conduct an assessment of gender representation among senior managers, identifying and disparities and taking appropriate actions to address them. This will make efforts should be made to address gender inequality within management teams, ensuring equal opportunities for individuals regardless of their genders. Initiatives can be introduced to promote and motivate rewards efforts towards improving gender balance and equality, encouraging proactive measures to create and a more diverse and inclusive workforce. The last one will be McDonald's should provide comprehensive guidance and support to franchise owners and managers in implementing diversity initiatives, helping them navigate the challenges and complexity associated with fostering diversity and inclusivity within their specific locations.
For our fourth recommendation, we have mandated training. Training and development are a crucial part of the company's organizational goals that are carried out by the human resource managers. With the rise in demand for temporary and part-time workers, you have a flood of new people in the workplace. It is important for owners and managers of any company to be trained in recognizing sexual harassment issues in the workplace, especially with more workers than just the normal full-time workers. Those trained would then not only be able to recognize, but also prevent these issues from happening by enforcing the company goals to the employees. These trainings would happen every year by the owners and managers of the franchise. By implementing a human resource information system, an online program would teach them the importance of preventing and recognizing these crimes, how to prevent and recognize, and how to properly fulfill these teachings in the workplace. After learning, they will then be tested on their knowledge and must pass the test in order to continue working for the company. A limit of 3 attempts are allowed for the test at the end of the program each year. Next slide, please. The references we used in this slideshow were the McDonald's history article on their corporate page, the textbook required for this class, Understanding Business, the Forbes article we found on the issue that this company was facing, and the global data website for the number of restaurant locations that they have. Thank you.